Start today we will be though I will be discussing about the Gann trend, change date, performance, option scanner, and Camarilla. But we'll see what is the weekly level the software has suggested. That is very important. Uh, so here you can say I'll be going with the 16th to today. So here the weekly trend analysis, see I have done it for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Nifty weekly trend as per the one standard deviation. So it was suggesting, or it is suggesting for this week, if we are at any point price is moving above 16,000 17,659 656, then it can again reclaim that 18,000 level, and here this is the hodl zone 17,812 to 17,880. Fall below 17,464 can invite a fall till 17,308 to 240. Our monthly bottom also placed at 17,293. So here that is also a bottom. We are now just retracing the whatever the uptrend or top it has made. From there we are retracing. So retracing the stop loss. So it is retracing the stop loss. So retracement happening for the uptrend. For that reason only, it is being mentioned to watch out for these levels very carefully. Very carefully watch out for these levels, and watch out for these levels. And this is the weekly level of the Nifty. Weekly level of the Nifty future. So weekly level must be calculated on Friday. On Friday. On Friday. So weekly level. So now we'll be going for the Camarilla system of trading. So Camarilla is a like your pivot. Specific equations are there. The theory of the Camarilla you can learn from your, if you can just get all the theories of Camarilla, you can download from the web. However, we have made specific changes in the Camarilla. What is the changes we made? So here, Camarilla, like a pivot, it used to suggest 3 or 4 resistance points and 4 support points. 4 resistance points and 4 support points, and cycle 2, cycle 3, all things are the different we have added. So cycle 2 and cycle 3 is nothing but cycle 2 or cycle 3 is nothing but it is an extension of your cycle 1. Once the cycle 1 completes, it goes to cycle 2, then it goes to cycle 3. So this is what we have added into that. Original Camarilla is only these levels. So what Camarilla system says, whenever you are moving the H1 level. So here, once price move above H1 level, we should buy. Whenever the price is drifting below L1 level, we should sell. So here, Camarilla also having specific ambiguities associated with that, because all these levels are considered as the sell levels. So Camarilla doesn't stop with that only L1 below you should sell and H1 below above you should buy. Camarilla also says that anything L1, L2, L3, L4, anywhere you should sell it. Suppose if you are selling at any of these levels, what happens? Because Camarilla, original Camarilla restricts with 4 values. So if you sell at any one of these values, L1, L2, L3 or L4, just give me a couple of seconds. Camarilla system, any one level we can sell. So the ambiguity was there in the original Camarilla system where it says that any one level, L1, L2, L3, L4, anyone, anywhere you can sell, and H1, H2, H3, H4, anywhere you can buy. So when that kind of part comes, suppose someone is selling at L1, okay, he is happy that he can get till L4. So once you are selling at L1, your H1 will be your stop loss. So someone is selling at L4. So you can say that for him also the stop loss is H1, but what will be its targets? So that ambiguity was present in the Camarilla system. So we have just added the cycle theory into that. So second cycle, third cycle, we have evolved in that. So whenever any place you are selling, at least next cycle's entry points, you know, next cycle's result points is known to you. So as for today's value, it is telling that now also you can sell, put the stop loss at 15,000, 17,579. This should be the stop loss, 17,579, and the targets you can say now also you can say it has now come to the 577 level. So here the you can say now if I can paste the data, so all data points have changed. So data points has changed. Camarilla also you can have a look here. Camarilla, which was giving you the level of sales, has gone now. So it has now neutral view. So you can say here the initial couple of minutes Nifty has drifted and gone to a level of 17,456. 17,456. So you can say it has come to cycle 2 level. Till this point it has come cycle 2 level. Now from here it is moving up. So nothing much we can do. We have to wait for this thing. So wait for this thing and we can have a look on that. So now you can say NIFTY also telling today is a trend reversal date, that is also impacting. So Friday was a down day, so or a very deep negative we have closed. So today trend reversal is taking place. So today the trend reversal is taking place. Today is a trend reversal day. So you can say positive opening or positive closing it should happen. So it was open positive, gone to the negative. However, currently it is also a positive. So today is a trend reversal day. That action also taking place. So this is about the Camarilla, and I have also shown you the level of so today also is a Camarilla's entry you have seen. You can also see 1SD trends. So 1SD trends are fixed. So they are not giving you any 17,600 above by trend, and that will have a hurdle zone at 17,655 to 679, and this is the falling zone. So now as per today's session's decorum, also we will see the performance of the Gann studies. Performance of the Gann time analysis studies. So high angle and low angle we have shown you in the first day event. So out of these days, couple of trend reversal days are already over. So 18th is over, 12th is over, 1st is over, today 19th is over. So last is 27. So though it is obvious that many of these trend reversal dates are known to you, Gautam will explain about the trend reversal date and trend reversal scanner. So over to Gautam.
Good morning, all of you. Now we are at the low angle of Nifty trend reversal date, which is happened on September month 1st, and
today is 19.
Today also it will be a trend reversal day because Friday opened negative and today it has opened positive. And 27th we have a trend reversal date. First date it has happened well. On 30th August it closed positive, and 1st September it has opened negative, and today also it is there. And based on high angle we can see the trend reversal date, which is 12th September, and it has not worked well. And yesterday it was the trend reversal day, so it falls on holiday. So it may be happen. It may be happen today, or it would have happened on
16.
16th Friday. Friday it has not happened, so we can go to the Bank Nifty trend reversal dates.
So out of 3 trend reversal dates so far for the Nifty, using the low angle and high angle, out of 3 trend reversal date, first, 12th and 18th, and today is 19th. So 4 trend reversal days happened. First it has worked perfectly, 12th it has not worked, 18th and 19th, 18th was a holiday, 19th again is a trend reversal day. So 19th it is working perfectly as per the trend reversal expectation. Out of 4, one is a holiday. Also that coincides with the 19th. So coincides with the 19th. And out of this 4, 3 are working days. Out of 3 working days, 2 working days it has worked already, and the third one today also it is working. So Bank Nifty also he will show you.
Yeah. For Bank Nifty, high angle is showing on September month 14th and 24th. 14th is already over, which has worked perfectly. On 13th evening, it closed to positive, and 14th opened, it has negative. So next we have high angle. High angle date, you have to select the date.
Low angle.
Low angle we have 4th September and 9th September and 24th September. 4th falls on holiday, so it has worked on 2nd Friday. Thursday it closed negative, and 2nd September of Friday it closed positive, so it has worked well. And the 9th it has not worked, so it is close to positive, and the previous day also close to positive. So one more days we have. Let's see whether it is work or not.
So this is about the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also has shown similar kind of performance. So 4th it has worked, 9th it has not honored, 14th it has worked. So 14th it has worked, 4 it has worked, 9th it has not honored. 24th is the last trend reversal date for the month for the Bank Nifty. So we can see the trend reversal actions on 23rd or on 26th. So he will explain you about the trend reversal scanner.
Trend reversal scanner we have. So first we have to scan the stocks for trend change on which will happen on tomorrow. So first we have a low angle tab and high angle and HLS all we have. Here we have mentioned symbols having trend change on 28th September, which is tomorrow. So here we have some symbols, Dr. Reddy and Indian Oil Corporation, Kotak Bank and L&T. So here we have given also uptrend level and downtrend level. So today, if it is closed this uptrend level.
So here you are seeing 4 parameters. The stock list you are getting, as well as you are getting the price here. Level 1, level 2, here also level 1 and level 2. So here the stock list, it is obvious, okay, these are the stocks are having the trend reversal date tomorrow. That is clear to all of you. But what is this uptrend level 1, uptrend level 2, and downtrend level 1 and downtrend level 2? So this gives you the probability of success in that trend reversal day. Suppose by 320 you are observing that the IOC, Indian Oil Corporation, is trading at 74 or above, 74 rupees and 5 paisa above. So that particular, it is in level 2. Level 2. So Indian Oil Corporation by 320 to 330, if it is trading above 74 rupees 5 paisa, that means the chances of trend reversal is 65% plus. So more chance is there, it will honor the trend reversal date tomorrow. If it is trading above 71 but below 74, So the chances is less. Trend reversal will happen, but the chances is up to 60%. But if it honors the price, level 2 price, the chances of trend reversal date increases. So happening of or accepting the trend reversal, the acceptance increases, probability increases, chances increases, anything you want to say. So here again we are getting another list here. We have Infosys, you have Canara Bank, you have NMDC, you have PNB, you have TVS Motors. All these things also having a trend reversal day tomorrow. Again we are giving the high-low square. So this method also having a group of stocks. Again hexagon method also having a group of stocks. So price time analysis also has a group of stocks. So price range method also having a group of stocks. But the probability. So how I will know that who will honor, which stock is going to honor or accept the trend reversal and which is not going to accept the trend reversal. So Infosys, if it is closing today above 1395 positive, then tomorrow the chances 65% chances is there it will open negative or close negative. If it is closing above 1383 but below 1395, the chances is less. Trend reversal will happen 45 to 60%. However, chances is less. The chance is less than 60% it will honor. So that based on these price parameters, once you are going to enter the trade, because it is a contract trade, you have to initiate today between 320 to 330. So this time you can just have a look at the price, so you can filter out the stocks which is having higher probability of accepting the trend reversal date. So this is about the Gann's trend reversal date. Now Srikant will explain you about the option scanner. So option scanner, many of you will be knowing option scanner, and it is a excellent tool. And trend reversal, today the trend reversal is happening and it is accepting perfectly. So day end basis we will see whether end to end basis it has accepted or not, but opening basis it is accepting perfectly. So now Srikant will explain about the option scanner. So over to Srikant.
Yeah, hello traders. So we're gonna see the option scanner, how it works. So I'm loading the data. We're gonna load. So it's being loaded, and now I'm selecting.
Carry
Yeah, I'm selecting the I'll be selecting the option type. So call. Before that, okay, I'll analyze it. Yeah, got it. Now call condition. I'm putting the between, and then parameter strike between buy entry targets. So I'm selected. So I'm gonna analyze. So now we can see the results. So this buy entry from T1 to T7. So these are the strikes. So where we can from here. So here we can see. So where we can so buy and get the profit. So by this in these levels which are there.
So it says that if 17,700 call option, you are purchasing at 223, then you should keep a stop loss at 185, 184.55, and this will be your targets, 236, 247, 258. So there is a question also I was answering. Pravinji has asked that buy entry and sell is having near to 35 to 40 points of stop loss, and these are the targets are small. You can say 14 rupees, and you can say here 23 rupees. Only at target 3 we are having stop loss and targets are equal. So normally here what happens, whenever your option trade gives you success, mostly it is the target 3 to target 5 is the ideal targets it hits. So today it is selected these strikes. So why these strikes? You have so many strikes. Why these strikes? So these strikes are falling between the buy entry and the target level. First of all, these strikes are the strikes which will be falling between the buy entry and the target 7 of the price range. So between this price range, these strikes are falling. So since these strikes are falling in this price range, these strikes will experience lesser theta decay. So lesser theta decay because more attentions will be there on these 5 strikes today. So if the theta is 5 rupees, it won't decay by 5 rupees. It will decay lesser. Instead of 5 rupees, it will decay only 3 rupees, 2 rupees. That is what we need as a intraday option trader. We need the strikes which will have lesser theta decay. So that is the parameter based on which we have to select the strikes. On my earlier webinar, what I was telling, option buyers has 3 tasks. To choose a correct strike, strike should be chosen, correct strike should be chosen. Number 2, they should know where to enter, where they should buy that option at what premium. Number 3, they should know where is the stop loss they should put and what will be the targets. This is the number 3 jobs of a intraday option trader. Strike choice is this is the group of strikes in the uptrend. Buy where you should purchase when the underlying asset Nifty, this too also Nifty spot level. When the Nifty spot crosses this level or the premium touches this 249, anyone comes first, you should enter. When you should exit, when the underlying asset price or the Nifty price fall to this level, 17,538. So that is the level you should come out of this trade or you put a stop loss for that. So this is a stop loss. Suppose you are seeing that there is a stop loss. You can do some management with that. You can write up some options like you can buy 700 call option and sell 850 call option. So you can say if 700 call option I am buying, 17,700 call option I am purchasing. Say at 224 rupees I purchase. So 17,850 call option also I am selling simultaneously at 156 rupees because there is a big stop loss. If the stop loss hits here 700, I am getting 85 plus 15 is 200, again 23. So roughly 38 rupees I will be losing stop loss. However, I have sold this option at 155, which will be at that time 125. So 30 rupees I will be gaining from here. So my risk management also I can do. My net loss will be 8 rupees if I buy the 17,700 call option at the required price and sell 17,850 call option. Say this is for the stop loss management. What about the targets? Say it is hitting target 3 or 4. I used to tell it is an ideal target. Say we have tossed the target 3. How much I am making here? So 23 to 58. So 835 here, 5 to us 5 to us 3. So 35 rupees I am gaining here in the call option. But the call option what I sold there also I will be losing. So what I have sold at 139, sorry, 156 or 156, that also will be at 83. So 56, 4 plus 4 is 60. Again 20, so 27 rupees I will be losing. 27 rupees will be losing in this option. But net I will be making 7 rupees gain at the target 3. Once it goes to target 4, target 5, I will be making good money. So this also is a way of doing. If you are intraday doing in a bigger lots, then this is the ideal choice. So your gain will be smaller, profits also will be smaller. So this is the way also you can do a stop loss management. This is also your bull spread. You can take some gear spread. By this process, many ways you can able to simulate it. Then he will be discussing about the other feature.
So we have seen the call between buy entry targets. So now we're going to see the put. So I'm selecting between then strikes, sell entry targets, analyzed. So we got the put between sell entry targets. So where he has a strike These strikes are so in these strikes you should buy, sell. So from here,
It's sell entry, it's buy entry.
so
So
yeah.
these strikes are selected for the today as a option buyer. If you are a put option buyer, you should look into these strikes. Provided Nifty spot should fall below 17,532. 17,532 should put, now it is 622. So if the Nifty spot fall to 17,532, then only you can, if the Nifty spot fall to 17,532, then you can buy these options as an option buyer. But provided these are the strikes. These strikes have been chosen for the day because these strikes will have lesser theta decay. Other than that, it has many other features. Best weekly call options to buy in the uptrend, means positional options what you can buy. So you can say, if you can say so you can say here between option, best call option to buy for the weekly. So these are the positional traders can buy these options. So that feature also there. It has a max pen. So where the expiry is expected for monthly, and for the where the weekly expiry is expected. So 17,600 is acting as a max pen point. Means beyond that to go, it will take some time. So IV rank and IV percentile it also has. So IV rank and IV percentile also I have explained whenever that it will allow you to know that which kind of strategy you should take. Means you should gain from the IV growth or you should aim from the IV decay. So if your IV rank or IV percentile is low, you should form the strategy to gain from the IV increment. So if it is high, then you should aim for the strategy to gain from IV fall. So these are for the advanced traders, those who regularly work on the option strategies and all. For them, IV rank and IV percentile, max pain, all these things are very, very important things. So these are the things we have discussed. Anybody has any query? Today's intraday top and bottom 17,682. 682, bottom was 17,449. So this was the top and bottom. And today, if you just look into the pricings, so it has 456, very near to the bottom it has come, and then after it has slide, then after it has moved up. So now you can say if it is making a top here, 682, if it is giving a crossover, 683 in fact, then fifth to seventh cycle also possible, one deep bounce back also possible for the day. So that is also not ruled out. So this also you have to look into. So this also you have to look into. So this is also a possibility for the day. Anybody has any further query can ask me. So during the session itself, we are getting the first target crossover 17,656. If it is giving you 17,680 above, then we can go for the higher targets. Fine. So with this, I will be ending today's program, and recordings will be given to you. Again, we'll meet on the 4th of Friday for the last session. We'll be discussing